How can landlords properly serve a notice to vacate? Imagine you're a landlord trying to get a tenant to leave your property, but you want to do it the right way. Serving a notice to vacate properly is key to avoiding legal trouble. First, you need to identify why you're asking the tenant to leave. Is it because they haven't paid rent? Or maybe they broke the lease rules? Perhaps the lease is ending, or there's serious damage or illegal activity happening. Knowing the reason helps you choose the correct notice type and timing. For unpaid rent, you usually give a 5-day notice to pay or quit. This means the tenant has 5 days to pay the overdue rent or leave the property. If the issue is a lease violation other than non-payment, a 14-day notice to comply or vacate is typical. This gives the tenant 2 weeks to fix the problem or move out. If the lease is ending or there's no lease, a 30-day notice to vacate is standard. In cases of illegal activity or health and safety risks, you might issue an immediate or unconditional notice to quit, which leaves no room for grace. Once you've chosen the right notice, you must deliver it correctly. The notice must be in writing and clearly state the reason for eviction, the deadline for action, and what happens if the tenant does not comply. Delivery methods include handing it directly to the tenant or an adult in the household, posting it on the door if personal delivery isn't possible, or mailing it via certified mail. Using verifiable methods is important to prove you followed the law. Keep copies of the notice and proof of delivery, like a signed receipt or mailing confirmation. This documentation is essential if you need to go to court later. The tenant must have the full notice period to respond. If they pay rent or fix the issue within that time, you cannot proceed with eviction. If they do not comply, you can file for eviction in court. The court process involves serving the tenant with formal eviction papers and following legal steps to regain possession. Properly serving a notice to vacate helps protect your rights and ensures the process is fair. It also gives tenants a chance to address issues, which can prevent conflicts or damage. Following these steps carefully keeps your rental business running smoothly and legally.